Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be unwrapping this Shiny Pearl Nintendo Switch games. So while she open up, I'm gonna show you like what this is about. How do I open it?
So, what is this?
Set off on a grand adventure with Pokémon through the Sinnoh region. Pokémon Brilliant Diamond and Pokémon Shining Pearl.
The adventure begins.
You'll first travel to a nearby lake alongside your childhood friend. A Pokémon encounter waits for you there.
Really not help?
Once Professor Rowan, a Pokémon researcher, recruits you to complete the Pokédex, your adventure begins. This is the Sinnoh region. Comprised of expansive mountain ranges, grassy fields, bountiful lakes, mountain paths, and snow-laden trails, Sinnoh is a land both rich and rugged in nature. Various Pokémon inhabit the Sinnoh region. Depending on the location, the Pokémon that appear will differ. In turn-based battles, you'll select moves for your Pokémon to use against opponents. You win once your opponent's HP drops to 0. Once the opponent is weakened, you can throw a Pokéball for a chance to catch it.
That's how you do it. That's all about.
Battle together with your partner Pokémon, and they'll be allies you can rely on.
That's a partnership.
The Sinnoh region, right?
Throughout the Sinnoh region, you'll have the chance to battle other Pokémon trainers.
Oh, Gyarados. Oh, it's a shape.
Periodically, you'll meet trainers who will team up with you.
Oh, what's wrong?
As you level up your skills, you can challenge each town's gym leader standing in your way. Gym leaders are powerful trainers specializing in a certain type of Pokémon.
Oh, he's electric.
If you defeat them in battle, you'll receive a gym badge as proof of your victory. Strive to become the strongest Pokémon trainer in the Sinnoh region. During your adventure, you can enter the Grand Underground from the field. The Grand Underground is a vast subterranean world beneath the entire Sinnoh region. By using a sledgehammer and a pickaxe to dig into walls, you might unearth valuable items and Pokémon statues.
What's that, statues?
Yes, statues.
You can also build your very own secret base. There are also places called Pokémon hideaways. Here, you may encounter uncommon Pokémon living in a variety of habitats.
Oh, what's that?
Put on a show with your Pokémon in super contest shows. Dress up in your favorite outfit. Dance by tapping along to the rhythm and appeal to the judges with a contest move. If you're chosen as star of the show, you'll be rewarded with stickers, which can be used to customize your Pokeballs with special effects.
Oh, what's this?
Poketch!
The Poketch is a handy gadget for your travels.
It's a watch.
It's a watch?
The pedometer and the dowsing machine are just a couple of useful apps on this device.
It's a watch? One toss?
Whoa!
You'll get more apps as you continue your adventure through the Sinnoh region.
Even more of...
With local and online play, you can battle and trade Pokémon with other trainers.
Yeah.
Enjoy connecting with trainers near and far.
Ooh. Oh, we should try that.
Very good.
Who's that? That's
Sinnoh is a
Cynthia.
land of many myths passed down through the ages.
Hi, Cynthia.
There's also the mysterious organization Team Galactic,
Galactic.
who's up to some
There's a
audacious
Team
activities.
Galactic.
And the legendary Pokémon
Oh,
are closely connected to how your adventure will unfold.
Whatever that is.
There's a weasel.
Blade.
Munchkin!
There's even more waiting for you
You
in
only get a
the Sinnoh
Munchkin.
region. Pokémon
Hey, show
Brilliant
them what you have
Diamond
there.
and
Let's open it.
Pokémon Shining Pearl. Available November 19th on Nintendo Switch.
So let's
Digital
unbox it.
pre-orders are
We've got
available now on
let's
Nintendo
show
eShop.
guys. Okay. So, it's open. Alright? So, you want it?
Not so hard. Lately.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, do you want to do the honor?
Oh yeah, me. My count.
Here we go. Alright.
Hey, do I feel it? The cool background.
Sure.
The cool background inside.
Ooh. Ah.
Ooh.
Okay. Now, we're going to have to. Let's.
Download.
Okay, let's go quickly download. Right?
Okay.
And if you guys like,
Please subscribe.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
And we'll be back soon with a new game. Right?
14 minutes remaining.